You're lost in the wilderness, no phone, no rescue, and the survival advice everyone told you, it's about to get you killed. Moss on trees pointing north doesn't work. Drinking your urine makes dehydration worse. Sucking out snake venom, you just poisoned yourself faster. Everything you think you know is wrong, but what actually works will shock you. Welcome to Sketch Scare, where we uncover the truth behind survival, science, and the secrets they don't teach you. Let's start the countdown. Number 10, the 3-3-3 breathing rule. When panic hits, your body dumps adrenaline, you hyperventilate, and you can pass out. Survival psychologist Dr. John Leach found that the people who survived disasters controlled their breathing first. The hack is 3-3-3 breathing. Inhale for 3 seconds, hold for 3, exhale for 3. Repeat 3 times. This triggers your parasympathetic nervous system and stops panic in its tracks. It's used by Navy SEALs for a reason. It works. Number 9, never drink clear water. Isn't clear water safe? No, that myth has killed people. Crystal clear streams can be loaded with parasites like Giardia. The real hack: assume all water is contaminated. Boil it for 1 minute. But here's what scientists recently found. If you're desperate, let water sit in a clear bottle in direct sunlight for 6 hours. UV radiation kills most pathogens. It's called solar disinfection, and it saves lives. Number 8, the debris hut. Forget building a fire first. Shelter is more urgent. Hypothermia can kill you in 3 hours if you're wet and it's just 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The debris hut is the fastest survival shelter, and it requires 0 tools. Make a frame with branches, then pile leaves and pine needles at least 3 feet thick on all sides. U.S. Army research found a good debris hut can be 30 degrees warmer inside than out. Number 7, your phone works without signal. It's not just dead weight. Your Compass app works offline. The camera flash can signal rescuers. 3 flashes is universal for distress. But here's the genius hack. Turn on airplane mode to save battery. Then, every hour, turn it off for just 60 seconds. Your phone will ping any available tower, and even if you can't make a call, that ping can be tracked by search and rescue teams. Number 6, the improvised fire starter. You don't need matches. If you have a battery and the foil wrapper from a stick of gum, you have fire. Cut the foil into an hourglass shape. Connect both ends to the battery terminals, and the narrow middle section will ignite. Have your dry tinder ready, and you've got a flame in under 30 seconds. Number 5, wound superglue. You're bleeding with no first aid kit. If you have superglue, you can close a wound. This isn't a myth. It was invented during the Vietnam War to close battlefield wounds. Clean the wound, dry it, then apply a thin layer along the edges and hold them together for 30 seconds. It bonds skin and stops bleeding. But a critical warning: only use it on clean cuts, never deep gashes or puncture wounds. Number 4, shadows tell time and direction. No compass? Put a stick in the ground. Mark where the shadow ends. Wait 15 minutes and mark the new position. A line between those 2 marks runs east to west, with the first mark being west. The advanced hack: the shortest shadow of the day points true north in the northern hemisphere and occurs at solar noon, roughly 12 p.m. Number 3, the rule of 3s is incomplete. Everyone knows it. 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter, 3 days without water. But there's a rule that comes before all of them: 3 seconds to assess danger. Survival expert Turi London says the biggest killer isn't exposure, it's bad decisions made in the first moments. Take 3 seconds, look around, assess, then act. Number 2, duct tape is a survival miracle. It's not just for repairs, it's a multi-tool. Use it as a bandage, twist strips into a rope, create a splint for broken bones, even fashion emergency shoes. A single roll of duct tape gives you dozens of solutions. If you only carry 1 extra item, make it this. And the number 1 survival hack, the priority everyone ignores, is stay put. Search and rescue data shows that 90% of people who stay in one location are found alive.
But people who wander trying to find help, only 50% make it. Your instinct screams move, but every step takes you farther from where people are looking. Build a shelter, make yourself visible, and let rescue come to you. These hacks aren't just trivia, they're the difference between life and death. Stay safe out there, and remember, knowledge is your best survival tool.